Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain mean and variance of exponential distribution, how to calculate, for which I consider the moment generating function. What is the moment generating function of exponential distribution? Just previously we have calculated the moment generating function of exponential distribution. It is mxt is equal to the second form. I'm writing the second form using that second form, that is 1 plus t by lambda plus t square by lambda square plus t cube by lambda cube plus t power 4 by lambda power 4 plus and so on. This is what the moment generating function of exponential distribution. Since moment generating function provides moments, so therefore we are considering moment generating function. So from which you can calculate moments about origin, that is mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, etc. So now I calculate, to calculate mean and variance, it is required to calculate first two moments about origin, that is I am calculating mu1 dash, mu2 dash. So what is the formula mu1 dash? From mxt, that is moment generating function, mu1 dash is equal to coefficient of t in mxt, coefficient of t in mxt. So here if you consider this is mxt, what is the coefficient of t? First of all, you see what is the term of t, that is t by lambda here. So I am writing here t by lambda, in which if you consider the coefficient of t is 1 by lambda. If you write as 1 by lambda multiplied by t, and so that it is 1 by lambda is the coefficient of t. So therefore 1 by lambda is mu1 dash, itself it is mean. So therefore the mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda. That is what we can simply write. The mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda, where lambda is the parameter. Now you start the calculation of mu2 dash. What is mu2 dash? It is coefficient of t square by 2 factorial in the moment generating function of exponential distribution. So for which if you consider the moment generating function here, what is the term of t square by lambda square? So I'm writing here it is t square divided by lambda square. The coefficient is 1 by lambda square. Okay, t square by 2 factorial. So but here t square coefficient, t square by 2 factorial coefficient is required. Coefficient of t square by 2 factorial is mu2 dash. So but 2 factorial is not here. So you multiply and divide with 2, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 factorial. So therefore 2 into 1 means 2 factorial. So this is what 2 factorial, this is what t square, and 2 by lambda square is a coefficient of t square by 2 factorial. So therefore I hope you understand, I am multiplying and divide with 2, t square by lambda square into 2 by 2. So therefore t square by 2 factorial is this, t square by 2 factorial, and the coefficient is 2 by lambda square, so is equivalent to be 2 by lambda square. So but it is not variance. If you want to calculate the variance, variance is equal to it is mu2. Mu2 is the formula mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. What is mu2 dash? Mu2 dash is 2 by lambda square minus what is mu1 dash? It is 1 by lambda the whole square. So 1 by lambda square. If you take a common, that is LCM lambda square, in the numerator, that is the first one lambda square, so 2 minus 1, it is equivalent to be 1 by lambda square. Of course you need not do like this, 2 by lambda square minus 1 by lambda square is 1 by lambda square directly. So 1 by lambda square is variance. Therefore we can write another kind of relation, if you do the square of the mean, you will get variance. So therefore, this is what the variance of the exponential distribution. The relation between variance and mean, if you write, variance is equal to the mean whole square in the exponential distribution. This is also you can write. Variance is equal to mean whole square. Since 1 by lambda whole square is 1 by lambda square, then you will get variance. Mean is 1 by lambda. The variance is 1 by lambda square. So this is what another relation between mean and variance of exponential distribution. And mean is 1 by lambda and variance is 1 by lambda square. Hope you understand. These are mean and variance of exponential distribution. Thank you.